Hey Jammers, it's me, Fuzzy, back with another video. I was thinking of video ideas when I realized, what does almost everyone in Jamar Township come here to do? Go to the pillow room. Why did they go to the pillow room? It's simple. To get adopted. So, that's what we're doing in this video here today. But before we go into the pillow room, I'll need to change my look a bit. Actually, I'm gonna change my animal because I'm keeping this look. I can remember it. But, yeah, you might notice I have a spinny boy. I am a fan of Julian too. I'm just gonna change my look. Vine anklet. No. A necklace that I got. No, I'll use the Jamalade scarf I got from Airtight 12 in the mail time video. Oh, that reminds me. In the last video, I meant to give a shout out to my buddy Airtight 12, but I forgot to. So, there you go. I clearly can't have a tail piece because they're all armor. And you ever seen a baby with armor? So I'm gonna change to one of my other outfits. Nope. That's okay, let's just stick with that for now. And yeah, I think I'll go with that for color. And when I'm getting adopted, that sounded really weird. Anyway, sometimes I do like to be adopted in Animal Jam. And these are usually the colors I use when I am. So, hold on. Yes. Without further ado, let's make our way to the pillow room. I don't do this very often. Oh look, the flying elephants. Anyway, I've just spotted someone who says they need a daughter, so I am going to sleep here because, I mean, that's adorable. Who doesn't love that? Oh, I think that's them in my den. I'm gonna turn off the chat prediction because that's just really annoying. They want me to buddy them. I will, obviously. I think I'll go to their den, see what it's like. Yeah, you notice I was in the small house den. That's not my main den. Ooh, this is a very nice room. Ooh, that's a lovely shade of purple. I can't even get on them because I love the member emotes. They're just so adorable. I mean, just look at this one. No, wait, that's not the one I meant. Which one was it? And they're switching the den. Okay, let's just forget about the emotions for now. Oh, this is not a lot of nice masterpieces, and one that's still being reviewed by AJHQ. Yeah, fair enough. Oh, they've got a hot cocoa machine. That Snow Leopard plushie is adorable. I love it. It's just kawaii. Hold on, I'll be right back. Anyway, I'm back. Looks like the other two are both downstairs. Is that Llama Claw? Yep, it's the Llama Claw. Oh, got one. Don't usually get them. I have this little trick where if you keep going in the same spot, you'll keep getting them. It's just a little thing I've found. And if there's a colour you don't like, you can recycle it for a lot more than what you got it for. See? I got a llama plushie I didn't like. I'll show you in my den. Can I play in the pool? Hop, hop. I know a little secret island. Then again, not so secret. Everyone knows about it. But if you don't, just bear with me. See? Look at it. Why is there a table on top of a table? Anyone else think that's weird? Let me know in the comments if you do. I'm gonna eat all the food. I don't know how this is physically possible. I'm gonna eat the popcorn too. Noodles. Donuts. Even ice cream. Pizza. I think that was more popcorn. And of course a turkey. No, I don't want to go on the llama club. The person who adopted me named me Callie. And I don't like that name at all. Shh, don't tell them. Don't tell them, or I will deny it. I don't know what that was supposed to sound like. But anyway, that's about all the time I've got for this video. So, thank you for watching, everyone. Goodbye.